Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog, and today I'm doing a mystery bag unboxing. I'm all alone this weekend. Gijs is on a little holiday with his friends for the weekend, so it's just me and Noos now, which means I will probably be talking to a camera a lot this weekend, you know, just so that I can speak to someone. But that also means that I'm hoping to upload a lot of videos in the upcoming weeks. Also, when I'm filming this today, I always film a little bit ahead of time, but when I'm filming this today, I only have 1 week left of group therapy. So after next week I will have a lot of free time, and I'm really hoping to, you know, get some of those ideas that are floating around in my head and in my bullet journal onto film so I can show you guys. Okay, but let me focus on what is going on here with this little box. My mom and I were helping at my grandma's birthday. My grandma turned 84, I think, and I love my grandma, she's really funny, but helping at those birthdays is always kind of boring because, you know, you just have old people talking about old people problems and about other old people that I don't know. No offense, but that's just a little boring. So I had a lot of time to write letters that day, and I also had a lot of time, stop making background noises, and I also had a lot of time to think about my YouTube channel. So I came up with a couple really exciting ideas. At least I think they're exciting. Maybe you just think, meh, seen it all before, Vivian, get over yourself, do something new. But I'm very excited, and that is what counts, right? So one of the things that I came up with, it's not really original, but I want to open mystery boxes or mystery bags, because I know that on YouTube there was this hype from people opening eBay or Etsy mystery boxes, grab bags. I don't know, they were always about beauty products or, I don't know, clothing or something, and I don't really care about beauty products or clothing. I care about stationery. So that is why I decided to do my own version of opening stationery mystery boxes, bags, envelopes. I hope you like it as much as I do. Basically, it's also just an excuse for me to buy more stuff. Let's be honest. But I went on Etsy and I started looking for these mystery boxes, bags, whatever, and I found quite a few, but most of them have really expensive shipping costs because I'm in the Netherlands and most of these are in America. So if you know any shops that are in Europe or that ship to Europe for quite a reasonable price, please feel free to tell me in the comments down below. But anyway, I found this shop called Petite Pink Boutique. Petite Pink Boutique, please, please, yes, on Etsy. And it turned out this was a Dutch shop. So this is a Dutch shop, a Dutch stationery shop, I don't really know, and they also had a mystery bag, so naturally I decided to check it out. I think it was 10 euros for I don't know yet because I haven't opened it yet, the box is still closed. But what I did is I picked up my courage and I messaged the Etsy seller. I messaged the lady behind Petite Pink Boutique to ask for a discount code. Not for me, but for you guys, because I thought you all love watching the paper gang boxes and you'll, I don't know, I really enjoy watching unboxing videos. But I thought it would be fun if you could also get some supplies of your own. So I have a discount code for you. Yay! You can use this code. Really hope that by the time I'm editing this, I figure out how to do the special effect kind of thing, otherwise I'm just looking very random. But she gave me a discount code. It is Vivian 2018, all caps, and you can use that in her Etsy shop for a 20% discount. This is not sponsored. I do not get anything for telling you about this discount code. I just thought it would be fun, you know. You get to watch me buy stuff, you get to watch me unbox, and then you get to buy stuff yourself with a little discount. So I hope you like that. And I'm talking too much, aren't I? Kind of my problem. So I'm going to be turning the camera down and we will be opening this little box together. I'm very excited. Let's do this. In the Netherlands, we can ship mail up to this big. So this is basically a mailbox box, as we like to call it. And yeah, I don't know what I wanted to say about that. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. I always love opening these packages from little Etsy shops because they usually make it so pretty. And if you watch my paper gang unboxing videos, you all know how much I love this paper. Anyway, let's see what is in here. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Ooh, there's confetti. And oh, a huge paper clip. I love huge paper clips. Okay, how am I gonna do this? First off, this little bag. In here is a stamp. I actually ordered this, so this is just an order that I made, and this is probably this should be the surprise bag. Ta-da! Hello. And I really like it. Feels a little bit like my birthday. Oh, look at that! Okay, so where do I start? First off, oh my god, we have a huge pencil with a huge pencil sharpener, and it even has like a little eraser on the back, and it actually works. It's actually a pencil. I've never seen a pencil this big, but okay, so that is really cute. It's huge. And then we have this little booklet. It says enjoy the little things, and it's a teeny tiny notebook. And I like teeny tiny notebooks, but I honestly never really know what I'm going to do with them, so I may just repurpose this and send it off with a swap. But also I'm kind of filling up my bullet journal, so I know that I will be using a traveler's notebook after this. So in a traveler's notebook, basically you just have a cover and you can put all the different notebooks in there. I don't know, sorry for all the random background noises. This is a pen. I wouldn't normally pick out a pen like this, but I think it looks cute and I can definitely use it for picture taking or, you know, whatever. And then we have this teeny tiny, I think it's a makeup bag or something. It's a little zip pouch. And it's see-through, a little bit green with lips on it. And oh, is this a pen holder? So that is really cute. Like I said, I'm not really a makeup girl, but I can definitely use this for something else, maybe stationery related. And then it's difficult to choose what is next. Then we have this little bag that says thank you. There's some sort of a lipstick in here. What is this? And a pen with a diamond on top. Oh my god, I didn't see that coming. So it's a pen. You can how do you call that? You can expand it. So that's kind of cool. See if it has like a nice. Oh, I like this one better than the lips one. This is like, how do you call that? I don't know how you call that. It's kind of like a fine liner, but I like the way this writes more actually, so I will be using that. I didn't see that coming. And then there's another pen in here. Luckily I love pens. Ooh, it feels kind of luxurious. Oh, I shouldn't write on this font. I wanted to reuse that. Vivian. Oh, it's a black pen again. Oh, this has a really smooth. Oh, this is good. This one is okay. Let me try again. This one is okay, but these two actually have like a really smooth. This one is extremely smooth to write with, and I think it actually. I thought that if you would have like a golden pen with a diamond on top, it would look kind of cheap, but it actually looks kind of cool. So I think that this would be something that I could use for picture taking as well, as is the giant pencil. And then we have more confetti. I really love these pastel colors. I can probably reuse that in a way. Probably put aside everything that I already unpacked. And then in here we have, what is this? Another little bag. I love how everything is like individually wrapped, and even I'm pretty much against using too much plastic, but I always reuse these, so that is good. What is this? Oh, it's a little marker. Okay, so it's a little marker in a heart shape. I don't have any pink markers. That's really cute. Let's see. Ooh, it's like fluorescent pink. And it's really tiny, so that is handy, so I can take it with me. Really cute. And we have some washi tapes in here. Okay, so my camera isn't really doing this justice. It looks kind of grey, but I think these are snowflakes, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these in spring. But okay, I can save that for later. Let's focus. Oh my god. Okay, I'll show you this one as well. It's a little gold foil for you. Like I said, I really love this one, the snowflake one, a little bit less, but because I ordered a mystery box, seems like a reasonable thing that there is something in here that I don't really like. So I'm definitely not complaining. And then, oh yes, I love paper clips. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. Okay, I will open these, but first we have these stickers that say thank you. And they actually come in handy because like I said, next week I have my last day of therapy, and I bought these little presents for the people that I leave behind, sort of. And I also bought some presents for my therapists, and I can put the thank you sticker on there. So that actually comes in quite handy, even though I normally probably wouldn't buy thank you stickers. And then I'm going to open up the paper clips, right? Because oh my god, what is this? It's like a shaker keychain. Oh, I love this. There's like confetti in here. That is so cute. I'm going to put this on my pencil bag for sure. Look how cute that is. I really love this. I don't know. I'm 23 years old, but glitter will make me excited, okay? Do not judge me. Then we have these two little paper clips in here. Again, I will be reusing the plastic bags. And what is this? I have to put it on paper so I can see what is the design. It's like sunglasses. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure what the paper clips are, but it looks like sunglasses or something. And what I love about shaped paper clips is they add something so cute immediately to your mail or to your swap. So I'll definitely be sending these to someone because I love paper clips for the way they look and for the way they make like a card a little bit extra special or something, but I never really use them to actually hold papers together. I hate it when this happens. I was like talking to the camera, showing you stuff, all enthusiastic, then I went to make a close-up and I noticed that my camera just stopped filming. Like, are you freaking kidding me? So I'm going to have to show you these things again, but then like, you know, that my reaction will not be the same anymore. It will be a little bit fake, so this really annoys me. And I think I was unpacking these little paper clips. I don't know how you call them. They're like page binders or something. I always forget. And what you can do is just put paper in between and then it holds them together. And I actually prefer using these over paper clips because when you use paper clips, your paper usually kind of wrinkles, and this is just for me a really easy and great way to keep paper together. Did I show you these already? Yeah, right, the glasses, I think so. But I unpacked another bag, and in there were I was so enthusiastic, and now it's not on camera. I was really enthusiastic because I got these little pineapple paper clips and I'm in love with it. It's my favorite. It's like a rose gold copper colored paper clip that says love, and I love it so much. I'm definitely keeping this one. This one is not going away. I might use it to decorate or something. It's so pretty. I've never seen a paper clip that has words, and in there is these 3 little paper clips that are like drop shaped, and I really like them. And what I was going to do before I noticed my camera was shut off, show them to you up close. These little drops, I show you the front and the back, and these are really cute, and they're also really light, so I can easily send them off. And we have this pineapple, which I love. We have 2 of those, and we have one of the love paper clips, which is definitely my favorite. And sorry pen pals, but no one is getting that one. In this video I've said a lot of times that I will be sending stuff off and I will be using it for swaps, but that is not because I don't like it. It's just because I have a lot of stuff already and I love sending things that I like in swaps. Okay, and then we're on to the final item in this mystery bag, and that is 2 sticker sheets. Oh, I love these. I'm just going to unwrap them so I can show them a little bit better. These little square ones. And I like the color scheme, so I'm very happy with that. I'm not going to send these away. Seriously, they're cleaning the street with one of those little broom machines. I don't know how you call that, and it makes a lot of noise, and I just want to finish this video, please. So we have a lot of goodies and a lot of things I like. Actually. I was actually a little bit surprised because I always think that when shops do like mystery bags, or that shops would just put the things in there that they cannot sell and that they just want to get rid of. So usually you'll just be getting a bag full of shitty stuff, but I'm actually quite surprised with how many of these things that I really like. I mean, I wasn't really sure how this would turn out, but I'm quite surprised. And actually also the things that I'm not sure if I will be using, like this one, I'm not sure if I'll be using that, but it's quite light and I can easily send it off to a pen pal or a swap. So there's nothing in here that I won't be able to use or put to good use, or except maybe this pencil. I don't know how to use a big pencil like this. Maybe I can use it in a video. It would look kind of weird if I used that in a video, but anyway, I think if I look at this, I think I got my money's worth, and also because I was able to use the discount code that she gave me for you guys. Don't forget, Vivian 2018. I was also allowed to use that code for myself, so I also got a 20% discount on this, and I think I definitely got some items that I really like. Just gonna wait for the broom thingy to pass. Noose is throwing me these very confused looks, like I think I should be scared, but I don't know entirely what I'm supposed to be scared of. But anyways, I think I've babbled enough right now. I think I wasted enough of your time. I'm going to put these in place. Oh, before I forget, if you're going to order a mystery bag from the Petite Pink Boutique, you will be getting a totally different one. Maybe that's good to mention, because I also did a paper gang unboxings, and if you were to order that paper gang box, you would get exactly the same. But if you were to order this mystery bag, you would get something completely different. So, would I recommend this? Yes, I would. Am I going to do this more often? Hell yes, I definitely am. Next time I will be picking a different shop. I don't want to do this too often because I also have the paper gang box, and I'm going to spend way too much money on stationery. I already spent way too much money on stationery, but I kind of gave myself a new reason to spend even more money. So, you know, like I already said, if you have any good tips for mystery bags, boxes, something with reasonable shipping prices within the within Europe, within Europe, please feel free to tell me in a comment down below. Don't forget that you could also, if you don't have a YouTube channel, if you do not have a profile on YouTube, don't forget that you can also message me on Instagram. I'll put all my links in the description box down below, and I will see you again soon. Bye! Thank you for watching.